Sparkman, I'm a game developer, and today I'm gonna show you this example. I'm trying to make a game like Doom. Now the old Doom used ray casting and ray tracing and stuff like that. So the sprites were actually kind of flat, like this, but they kind of didn't look flat. Let me just show you this example. Alright, so let's walk up to this guy here, and you can see that he is always facing the camera. See? You can never see the back of this guy. You know, it's like we're dancing or something. Are we dancing? This guy over here on the other. Oh my god, I fell. Son of a gun. How is that even possible? But anyways, I just wanted to show you that this is actually flat. I cannot believe I just fell there. Now to bring a 3D sprite, this is just a regular 3D sprite. Okay, nothing. You don't need a tutorial for that. All right, let me run this again, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. All right, let's walk up to the bad guy. You know, last time you're gonna see a bad guy like that. Let me tell you. All right, here it is. Oh, you can see that now he doesn't turn with the camera. He just doesn't. We need to do our little magic here. It's actually quite simple. All you need to do is double click on your object, go to behaviors and add the behavior, and we're searching for billboard. There it is, billboard. Add it. You don't need to do anything else. Literally, I'm just gonna press play and voila. Let's walk up to our bad guy. Last time you're gonna see a bad guy like this one, let me tell you. Alright, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. How scary is this? Look at this. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye now.